Hi friends, today we're going to fix the iPhone red and blue screen error. This is iPhone for Ash and it's not turning on, and when it's turning on this logo is flashing and then turns onto the red screen. Let's see. Here you go. It's a very common problem in iPhone, especially iPhone 6, 5, 5SE and the 7. It's flashing, sometimes the flashing red screen. This probably is the easy solutions. You can open it phone and just disconnect the battery. The battery is be no good, that's why it's happened. So just open it like that. It's already open. Just disconnect the battery. Here you go. And put it down at the charge battery. This battery is look like empty. I don't think so. It's charged one. I put it the cable, charge battery. This battery is charging. You can see the sign. You can see the red blink on the last one. There was also the battery problem, so which is you can check it, the connector with the screen and the battery. That's the only solution. So let's try to put it the new battery and then we can check it the screen as well. Just disconnect the battery, charger, and remove the battery as well. Put it down with the battery. Put there. Next step is you have to check the battery connector and the LCD connector. You have to check both. Disconnect the camera. Disconnect the charging bit. Just clean with the little brush. And put the new LCD. and test again.